Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. Today we're making a Southwest chicken salad. Let's get the sauce made for the Southwest chicken salad. So I have some mayo here. We're going to do a cup of mayo. And then we're going to do a half a cup of sour cream. We're going to do a teaspoon of ground cumin. We're going to do a teaspoon of smoked paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder. Depending on how spicy you want it to be, you can play with the red chili flakes. I'm gonna do a teaspoon and a half. Just a little kick, but not a lot. I got 2.5 pounds of chicken that this is gonna be coating. And then just a little bit of salt and pepper to your liking. Then just get this all whisked up together. Now let's build this salad. This salad is actually the quickest thing ever to make. I have 2.5 pounds of chicken that I pre-boiled and shredded. And the boil is just water, a little bit of chicken stock, a little bit of smoked paprika and a bay leaf that I put in there. Just put them in the chicken breast in there for about 15 minutes, let them cool, and then shredded them. So into this salad, we got 2.5 cups of shredded chicken, or 2.5 pounds of shredded chicken, sorry. 1 can of corn. We have 1 can of black beans. I have pre-diced one red and 1 green bell pepper. Just because I don't want this to go all over the place, switch bowls. I wanted y'all to see it, but when real estate's not your friend, I'm gonna get a mix on this before I add that dressing, just so we can kind of get things a little incorporated. So you're probably thinking this is a lot of chicken and veggies based on the sauce, and it is. But me personally, I don't like over sauce things. So that's why the ratios are a little bit off, but you'll still get all the flavor. Now that we have this slightly mixed up, we'll take that sauce that we made, scoop this all out, pour right over top, get another mix on all of this. Ooh, lost chicken. This will be a perfect salad once it gets in the refrigerator to eat cold, something that you eat on the road. Me personally, being a personal trainer, sometimes I don't have a lot of time to sit down and eat. I just pull this right out the fridge, eat it in between clients real quick, and good to go. Once it's all mixed, looks like that, you're ready to go. Now it's just time to portion it out and enjoy. Now it's time to taste this chicken salad. Make sure I get a little bit of everything for you. It's a real colorful salad. I see red, I see green, I see black, I see yellow. We got all the colors. This is perfect. You got the texture of those vegetables. You got the softness of the beans. That's cumin in there. Gives a nice smoke flavor. You're gonna enjoy this.